Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, working all day. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by RPGSHOW Hair. Shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, the name is Jaya, JIA003. The texture is silky. This unit I have is in 20 inches. It says hair color is the color of the picture. So, you know, whatever the picture is on the site, that's the color. It's given ash blonde with some 4 in it, in my opinion. But let me know down below what you guys think the color is. The cap size that I have is size 1, which is a circumference of 21.5 to 22. It's a glueless lace front cap. It's 200% density. And the lace color is tinted transparent Swiss lace. So those are all the details and specs. Now I do want to go ahead and say I did not tweeze this unit. I did not bleach the knots. Oh, girl woke up like this, honey. Okay, I woke up like this. Like, she definitely woke up like this. I did not have to do anything to it whatsoever, but cut the lace and put her on my head. And honestly, I could have gotten away with not even spraying it down, which is what I was trying to show you. If I didn't show you at the beginning, I'll insert a clip here so you guys can see. I could have got away with not spraying it down. I just wanted to, okay? I just did. I was just itching to do it. You know how, like, never mind, I don't even go into one of my rants. But yeah, I was just itching to do it, but it's not something that's necessary. This is definitely a glueless wig. Now, I will say that I probably would have still had to spray down my sides. If you guys watch me, you guys know that is a struggle for me with these ears. I don't know how to do it or how to make sure I can wear a wig just completely glueless without, or sprayless, because it is completely glueless, sprayless without just like laying down the side. So yeah, there's that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, in my opinion, it did it shed though? In my opinion, it did shed a little bit. It was like literally a strand here and there, but it is an ash blonde wig, so I kind of expected it. But I also am not sure if that was from when I cut the hair, you know, cut around my ears. I am not sure if it was because of that. So, but I do want to throw it out there. With this color blonde, I expected a little shed, and so either way it goes, it wasn't like a big deal to me. But I do like to let you guys know, so you can't come for me later and be like, you said, because I told you, girl. Okay, I told you. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. All right, so my con with this wig, and y'all, this is just me just kind of throwing something out there, is probably, I'm gonna say the density. They have on here that the density is 200% density. It's definitely given 180 for me, but that's not like a huge difference, like from 80 to 20. I mean, from 180 to 200 is not a huge like difference, but I gotta give you something, okay? I gotta give you something. And I do also want to say that they say that the texture is silky, and it's definitely giving me more yucky, but honey, that's a pro, not a con. So let me go on to the pros. Okay, that was my con. Okay, so my pro, and it may be a pro for me because I just love yucky textures, but if you're expecting to get silky and then you get sort of a yucky texture, it may be an issue for you, but it's a pro for me. I love the texture of this unit. It feels so good. It has just like a realistic sort of vibe to it. It's not like super yucky, but it just has that, you know, that great in-between factor. It's definitely not silky in my opinion, but they do have silky on my card, so I'm gonna tell you silky, but she ain't giving me silky. I also love that it was pre-tweezed. I also love I didn't have to bleach the knots. I love all of the things, okay? And let's not forget the color, okay? The color is life for me, okay? So yeah, those are my pros. Okay, so yes, I would recommend this wig. I just feel like it's just an effortless slay. I did decide to layer it a little bit. I didn't want to get excessive with the layering of this unit because I just love everything about it. But yeah, I would recommend it. Like it was a struggle to find a con, girl. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely recommend it. All right, honey. So this is. Child, let's go ahead and get into this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Oh, let me do a length check. keep in mind I am 5'4". Seem a little longer than 20 inches to me, but y'all let me know what you think. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, this unit, I do want to throw that out there too. It's definitely giving me a little longer than 20 inches, but I could be wrong. I'm not a very tall person, and you know, every unit is different, but to me, it is definitely feeling like it's longer than 20. Let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I always appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, y'all, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Ultimate C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you little bugs next time. Bye.